Hello. So, good evening. This is si Kasangga Joel Pitigihanon. Kasangga sa Safety at Kalusugan. Tingnan natin yung occupational safety and health, no? Yung coverage niya. So, is a discipline with a broad scope involving three major fields, no? Number one, yung occupational safety, OS. Dito, discuss yung discusses with understanding the causes of accidents at work and ways to prevent unsafe act and unsafe condition in every workplace. Okay, itong isa sa field ng occupational safety and health, OS. Pangalawa, itong occupational health or OH. Ano ba ito? Ito daw ay broad concept which explains how the different hazards and risk at work may cause an illness and emphasize that health programs are essential in controlling work-related and or occupational diseases. Kung ang occupational safety, discuss na yung dahilan ng mga aksidente at mga paraan para ma-prevent ito sa workplace. Itong OH is in-explain niya kung paano nakukuha at nagkakaroon ng aksidente sa workplace. Yung pangatlo ay IH, Industrial Hygiene, discusses the identification, evaluation, control of physical, chemical, and biological and ergonomic hazards. So, yung tatlong field na to, kung pinagsama-sama mo, ang tawag dyan is occupational safety and health. Okay? So, occupational safety, occupational health, at saka industrial hygiene is a part of occupational safety and health na ating pong mapag-aralan para po maging maayos sa ating workplace. Okay? Bye.